What is variable initialization? To use variables in programming, first we need to create the variables and assign them a reference in the computer memory. Variable is a storage area which the programs can manipulate by changing the values stored in it. Create or declare a variable. Syntax is a rule which must be followed while performing a task. In most of the programming languages, you can declare a variable by using the following syntax. Data type variable name equals value. Example, declaring a variable. int x equals 20. Int or int y equals 30. Int x, int y will create two variables x and y, and it reserves two memory locations with names x and y. Variables are created by using the int keyword. Int specify the data type, which means that the declared variable will store integer values 20 and 30 in these two variables. Once the variable is created, you need to assign it a value before using it. This process of assigning a value to a variable is called initialization. A variable which is declared but is not initialized ever has an undefined value, but you can assign it a value in later steps by using assignment operators. Consider example 1, in which two variables x and y are declared. Variable x stores a value 20 and variable y stores a value 30. Now, when the program is executed, the memory location named as x will hold a value 20 and memory location named as y will hold a value 30. As you already know that a variable cannot be used unless a value is assigned to it. The value of a variable can be initialized to null, which is also a value. Variable which is defined with a null value is a variable which is not initialized, and also it does not hold any value, not even null. In some programming languages like Python, there is no command to declare the variables. A variable is created at the moment when you first assign a value to it. Example, declaring a variable in Python. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐬.